How to use the Autofill Chrome extension. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we'll be talking about the Autofill Chrome extension provided for easy access. So for this, you have to open your Google Chrome. Visit the site chromewebstore.google.com and on the search bar type in Autofill. Once you do so, you will see a list of options. Tap on the very first one which says Autofill. And then you have to tap on Add to Chrome. Once this is done, you will receive a notification or a warning to access or add extension. Tap on Add Extension and within few seconds you will notice that the extension is added to your Google Chrome. So how can we use the autofill? First of all, make sure to pin the extension on your display. For that, tap on Manage Extensions and click on the pin button. This way you can easily access the autofill. Then after, you can see some of the options. For this, you can fill up the form once and then tap on the autofill icon which you have just pinned. Select a profile and click on that button again. Once that is done, you can execute rules manually as well as assign hotkeys. And then you can organize the autofill rules any way you like and use it. So that is all for today's video. Hopefully it was an informative tutorial. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.